screen. Can you see my screen?
Miss.
Yeah. For this tech stack, we'll be using Next.js 15. So, and then for Clerk, we'll be using Clerk version 6. So this is the Clerk version 6. So yes, so let's start the project. So I've created a folder called full stack Next.js. So I'm going to open the folder. Let's open the terminal. So let's create the project npx. Create the project npx create next tab at latest. So let's name the project maybe e-commerce application. And it will ask for this. So would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Yes. Everything is by default. So what are all is showing? Like what is the default? Just click on yes. Enter, enter, enter. So So meanwhile, while this is installing, let's go and do the sanity setup. Yesterday we discussed, right? We'll be doing the sanity for the backend. So let's do that as well. www.sanity.io. So let's create an account, get started. So we need to sign into this. I'm signing it with maybe GitHub. Is also fine. Sign in with Google. All the terms and conditions. So we need to do all this one. Mhm. So let's create a new project. So let me call this as e-commerce. So let me create project. Technology are you using? TypeScript, React, Next.js. Doing CSS, no, starting from the scratch. Yes. So yeah, the new project has been created, e-commerce build. So we have the documentation to set all this. So yeah, meanwhile we'll see. Yes, it is success. Like we have created the e-commerce application. The Next.js has been installed. I'm going into the directory cd. Okay, they provide the command here, create a new studio with Sanity. All these commands and how to run the Sanity and how to log into the studio. So all these are provided here. We can just simply follow and do this. Let me here. Minute. Okay. So let's see what are all is installed. So we have node modules, environmental variables, configuration. So let's start by running this app. Let's check npm run dev app given run. So now it is, yeah, the Next.js startup is visible, so the everything is properly installed. So this is starting. Yeah. Go to page.tsx. So we'll be editing this and start coding here, the page.tsx. So I'm going to minimize this. So just simply giving a head tag just to check, and I'm saying hello world. Let's try to test this. Yes, now this is working. We'll go and continue with the Sanity backend setup. So we have already created the project here. So let's copy this. Copy this. So I'm going to separate the terminal. So I'm going to split the terminal. So inside this, I'll just paste this code which we have copied from the Sanity. And yeah, let me just enter. So the Sanity is being installed. So while this is happening, it will go and create a Sanity project for us. So yes, let's just wait until it is finished. So it will ask a couple of questions as well while installing. So let's wait for that. So authentication, permission found in why we have already created the new account. So let me just select Google. what is asking for. Okay. So I don't know why it is asking to create a new project.
Or clicking email and password, maybe it will be login Kirtanu, I think.
But I have logged into the Sanity using my Google account only. So just thinking why this is.
Can you go to the terminal? I did the same thing and it is showing me the message only. Would you like to add configuration file for Sanity project in this Nextjs folder? It is showing me this.
Okay, it is showing the commerce e-build. Okay. For me, the create a new data set. Just is this asking this one for you?
Yes. This line, would you like?
Yeah, I'll simply say yes, and then I'll say enter. So would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Would you like an embedded Sanity Studio? Yes. Or what route do you want to use to? Okay, slash studio is absolutely perfect. So I'll do slash studio, which was showing in the default. And yes. So for this, we'll select block schema initially because there'll be some default things, so we can play with it. So yes, I'll select block schema. So once you learn this, and then in some other project, we can start with a clean project with no predefined schema types. Okay, so I'll select block schema. You like to add the project ID and dataset to your local environment? Yes. So it is being installed. Let it be installed.
Okay, I didn't get this option. You get now select project template. This one I didn't get. I directly get the last one. Would you like to add the project
Okay.
ID?
So select project template to use this thing doesn't
Blog
show.
schema. Yeah.
Okay. So did you selected the studio slash studio
Yes,
this?
studio. Yes.
Okay. But
And also the TypeScript one, it asks you for TypeScript now, but it doesn't ask me.
okay, it should ask. me. Okay, just do like whatever it has. So
Hmm.
check.
Okay.
So meanwhile, this is being installed. Let's create an account in clerk as well. So let's do that setup as well. I'll go to clerk. So I think we open here. So let's click on start building. There should be a button called get started. No, okay. Start building is that. Okay. It is asking to sign up. Clicking on okay, I'm selecting Google. Continue. Build your sign and we generate one for you. Okay, let's create an application. Maybe mhm. So let me name it as call this as e-commerce hyphen app maybe. Yeah. Else we have email and Google is selected. Let's click on create application. So if you see where is yeah e-commerce app. So we have created our clerk account here, and here also it is showing some installing and setup configurations. So we'll be following this one. So before this, let's go to okay. So this is installed, but we have problems here. It is showing cannot find type file for Babel generator, cannot find type entry point type implicit. Okay. So let's see whether Sanity is available. Yes. Okay. The Sanity configuration files has been added to the project. Where is the error?
The first line on the braces.
Mm-hmm. What it is? Let's ask pilot. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. Is anyone using Copilot so that we can see what is happening here? Is my screen visible?
Actually,
Yes,
no.
yes.
Actually,
Okay.
my Copilot prompts are also like exceeded, so
Okay.
I don't have.
Just see with uh I think should we audit npm audit fix so that
For you, Renuka and Samaikya?
I'm trying him money in just a second.
yes. I think it's better to do just a minute, please. NPX audit fix. Just fixing the issue. So it is fixing the dependency issue. But I think the React 17, sorry, Next.js, everything is removed from here. Hmm.
Copilot is giving that install some command.
Okay.
Yeah. I will try once with
o-
installing that.
No, it is not showing it now for you the problems.
I
So you
just,
did npm audit fix.
but it removed all the required file from the config.
Okay.
Did not be
Yes,
that.
it works. I will send you the command.
Okay.
Um, I have sent in chat.
Sent
For
it in
you
chat,
also,
I
it's
think.
not showing, right?
No, no, no. I just did npm audit fix, so it just went on.
Mm.
I'll clear this terminal and I'll just
Renuka, share the command in Slack because here we
Okay.
we cannot
can't
copy.
copy. Yeah. And the command is last which slash which.
Yes.
As okay.
I have sent him money. Check it once.
Okay. This is the single command, right?
Ah, yes.
One line command.
It was not showing error after installing this command.
Yes.
What is the reason it showed? Like why it is?
It doesn't give any reason, but just give the command I need to install to rectify the error.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't understand what the command also. It's very different. It doesn't show any particular
Okay.
installing method.
What is the command? So you shared in the Slack, right?
Yes, Kirtan.
In Next.js channel.
It is basically for TypeScript types it's
Okay.
showing.
I think in dev channel.
No, in Nextjs channel only.
In Next.js.
I think
Yes.
some issue with my.
But it is not showing for you.
Yeah, there is some issue. My system is very slow. So
I will send it on your personal.
Yeah, now it's
now it is.
Okay.
There is an issue with my system. So just check if you could navigate to localhost 3000/studio. So try to see if there is, if you could see the Sanity Studio. So the same URL, localhost, but after that /studio, which we have given in the while installing, no? The same you have to give. Just check. It will take time, so it will show something like this compiling studio, everything. I don't know. I couldn't see any.
It is asking something before you continue. Okay.
Still, it is running.
Yes, it's gone. One issue it's showing. To access your content, you need to add the following URL as a course origin to your Sanity project.
Oh, you could see course error.
Yes.
Okay, we'll fix that now. Mhm. Okay. Meanwhile, someone can share their screen because it is taking time for me to. We can solve this course issue.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, just yes, the local host.
For me, it's showing the output like hello when we it's giving right. But
No, no, that
Did you go to
like
Studio Path?
yeah,
yeah, I go to same URL like studio and it shows hello output like we gave in page.tsx, right? Yes.
let me just check. But it should not work that way. Slash. Have you given the studio like the path while installing?
Something is refreshing now. Just wait.
It will take some time. It will load. So meanwhile, in the terminal, you'll be seeing like compiling something like that.
For me, when I go to the path, it shows login to Sanity and it will redirect to the studio and structure and showing different post
Oh,
categories, authors, so many.
I think the studio has opened for you, I think.
Is it correct or is there any mistake? Did I do?
Okay, I'll stop sharing. You can share.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what I can see. It will open the Sanity here on the.
Okay, for you, the sanity has been opened.
Okay.
This is the thing, yeah. This should appear. So, yes, for you, it has been. Uh, seen. So Himani, I couldn't see the course error for me. I could see some different error. I don't know, but based on different system, it is showing like this. Renuka, this is correct. So what you have done is correct. So studio, this is the studio. So we'll be working in this.
Okay, okay.
Why it does not work? I'll just share my screen. So here in the terminal, it is showing some error for me. I could see 500, some sanity issue. So build error, module not found. So Humani, for you, course error is showing, right?
Yes.
I think you have to enable the course. We have to install the plugin and enable the. So we'll be having extensions. Image extension.
Which extension?
CORS.
Okay, I think I've installed for.
So extension enabled.
Okay, I'll install it again. I can't find it. Course. What link for the course to download the extension?
Just. um, So what you were asking?
From where? Hello course. Okay, got that. The Chrome one will show now. Add to
Yes, yes,
Chrome.
yes. See,
Okay.
I have the extension enabled here.
Just
So
okay, okay. Send.
so everyone is facing different issues, and this will happen while setting up this um sanity and clerk and everything. So this is not. So the only thing is we need to solve the issues based on our system. So every system has a different configuration. So we need to solve those. Samakya, are you able to do like did you face any issue or?
No, actually, I'm not following it. I'm just listening. Actually, when I'm listening, my kid came, so I missed the flow.
Yeah,
That's
no
why.
problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, maybe you can try later.
Yeah,
So I
I'll
think
watch the recording and
Itna, can you guide me? I installed, but what to do after installing? Is there anything?
you have to add the extension
Hmm.
and you have to enable it.
Okay.
A minute, I'll. For me, it is saying Sanity types is not installed, so I'm installing the Sanity type.
Yeah, working for me now.
So you could see the studio.
Yes. But it's
Okay.
showing one pop-up, no documents types.
Okay.
Define at least one document type in your schema.
Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I think I'm also facing lot of issues. So yes, this is the step, but I'm not sure what it is. There is some issue with my dependency in my laptop. So I'll try to solve this. And yeah, it's already going to be 11, so we can wind up the class for today. So I will summarize what we have done today. I'll have you noted, Himane, like what we have done today? So else I can summarize what we have done and what we have installed.
No, actually, I'm also doing so.
Okay, yeah. So
Uh,
I can summarize in the chat, so
okay.
that you guys can refer to it and
Mm.
try to redo it. Yeah.
And in Keetna, the thing for me, it is showing no documents type. Is it fine? I'm getting the page,
Uh,
the
can
default
you
page.
share the screen just once?
Okay. Then if it is not fine, then I'll do the same step again. It is showing me this.
And how to please define at least one document type. I think maybe this is due to the block schema because you haven't added it wasn't asking you the schema, right?
Okay. Yes,
That's
right.
because of, I think, try to redo all the steps and let's
Hmm.
see what it is coming here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes, right.
because of the schema.
Okay. Okay, I'll do the steps again.
Yes, I'll summarize and I'll post the comments and everything what we have done today in the Slack so that you guys can follow. And
Hmm.
yeah,
Okay.
if